Now friends, let's solve question number 80. This question states complete the following figure matrix. We have to replace this question mark by the given option figure. For that we have to find the pattern. So we can see that here we have two things. First, the shape that you can see that in the given matrix figure, and then we have alphabets. So you can see that in the first row we have a pattern, but when we are going to the second row we can see that here the topmost shapes are flipped and the letter R remains same. That means here we have A, I, E, same as the letters in the top shape of the first row. Clear? But the shapes are flipped vertically. Clear? Now move to the third row. Here we can see that the shapes are on the lowermost portion in the first row are kept on the shapes in the second row, so that we are obtaining here the third row. So when we follow the same pattern, we can replace this question mark by the third option figure. You can see that here the third option is the correct, so you can mark the answer for this question is option number 3. Clear? So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question. Now friends, let's solve question number 81. This question states if 18@6 is equal to 24, 18 not equal to 3 is equal to 15, 18#9 is equal to 2, and 18*2 is equal to 36, then the value of this particular given expression is equal to. We have to find the correct option. Now let's solve this question. You can see that this question is based on mathematical operation. So first we have to find which mathematical operator will replace these symbols. So first you can see that we have 18@6 and we are obtaining 24. So we have to apply here, we have to place here plus symbol, because 18 plus 6 will obtain 24. Clear? So that means you can say here plus sign will replace symbol. Clear? Similarly, in the second expression we can see that we have 18 not equal to 3 is equal to 15. So we'll place which mathematical operator? So you can see that 18 minus 3 will obtain 15. That means we have to place minus sign in place of not equal to. Now further we can see that the third equation we have 18#9 is equal to 2. That means we are dividing, because 18 divided by 9, so we'll obtain 2. So you can say here hash will replace by division sign, and we have only one sign left. You can see that in the fourth equation 18*2 is equal to 36, definitely the multiplication. That means 18 multiplied by 2, what we are obtaining? 36. That means multiplication, replace star sign. So here we have the different mathematical operators which will replace the given symbols. Now come to the given expression. So when we place here on place of hash, we have to put here division sign. On place of not equal to, we have to place minus sign. On place of this symbol, we have to place plus addition, and in place of star we have to place multiplication. And when we simplify this given expression, will obtain this is equal to 318. So you can say here the third option is the correct answer for this question, and you can mark here option number 3 is correct. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question. Now friends, let's solve question number 82. This question states from an international airport 5 flights are scheduled to take off between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And further this question says flight for Japan is taking off before flight of UK and Nepal. Further, flight for US is taking off after flight for Brazil and UK. Flight for Nepal is taking off at the last, while flight for Brazil is not taking off first. Flight for UK taking off exactly before 2 flights. For which country flight is taking off at the second place starting from 9 a.m. So first we have to arrange the order of flights. So let's solve this question. So from the given information, first we can see that here the flight for Nepal is taking off at the last. Clear? So we have to arrange Nepal at the end. Clear? Further you can see that, come to the next information, UK. flight for UK is taking off exactly before 2 flights. Exactly before 2 flights means you can place UK in the third last position. So you can place like this. There is one more country between UK and Nepal that will obtain from the given informations. And further you can see that here the flight for US is taking off after flight of Brazil and UK. So Brazil and UK, that means we have to place US after UK. Clear? So we can arrange like this. Now we have 2 more countries, Japan and Brazil. So you can see that here we have one more information. Brazil is not the first flight from the time duration 9 to 10 AM. That means we have to arrange Brazil on the second position. Clear? So definitely Japan, the first country. This is the arrangement. So what we have to find in this question, for which country flight is taking off at the second place starting from 9 AM. So you can clearly observe that here Brazil is the correct answer. So you can see that here the 4th option is the correct answer for this question. And you can mark the 4th as the correct answer for this question. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question.